Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing how to fix AirPods Pro 2 transparency mode keeps turning off. Are you having trouble that the AirPods Pro 2 transparency mode keeps turning off? Don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. The number one thing you can try is enabling custom mode. You can create a custom audio for your device by simply going to settings, clicking on accessibility. After that, scroll down till you see audio and visual. Now click on headphone accommodation and turn it on. After that, click on custom audio setup. Click on continue and proceed with it. If you have an audiogram, click on it. Another thing you can try is disable loud sound reduction. Go to settings. Now scroll down till you see sound and haptics. Now again scroll down till you see headphone safety. Now if reduce loud audio is turned on, make sure to turn it off. After that, check for Apple Watch if applicable. If you're using an Apple Watch, ensure it is not connected to your AirPods Pro 2 when you want to use transparency mode. The Apple Watch can sometimes reset the transparency mode settings. After that, try restarting. Place both your AirPods in the charging case and then try resetting it. Close the lid, wait for 10 seconds. After that, open it again and click on the button for at least 15 seconds. That's it. Thank you for watching, or else you can also try changing the transparency mode directly after connecting via the notification sender.